Let's talk about Sebastian Professional. If you're new to my channel and if you're not, welcome back. I'm Mike. I'm a hairdresser, a L'Oreal colour specialist, a makeup fan and a skincare lover. In today's film I'm going to be trying out Sebastian Professional hair products. Also, it's going to be my first impressions of this hair care range. If you want to find out my thoughts about this product, then you better keep on watching. What is the story, everyone? In today's film I'm going to be testing out Sebastian Haircare products. And I am so excited because Sebastian Professional is a brand that's been around for quite some time and I haven't used it in quite some time. It's been a long time since I've worked with the brand. And I remember products like Potion 9 and whipped cream and they were amazing. But we're really talking about 9 years ago. So I really want to freshen up my mind and try out the range once more and see what I actually think about it. So little insight about Sebastian Professional. Sebastian Professional was founded in LA in 1970s by Jerry Cosenza. In 1972, Sebastian Professional actually invented the first crimping iron, which is quite bizarre. So this hair care company has been around for quite some time. So in today's film I'm gonna wash my hair, I'm gonna blow dry it, and we're really gonna see, is the product any good or is it a heap of dirt? So let me present you with the first product I'm gonna be trying out, and that product is Sebastian Trilliance Shampoo. First of all, can we talk about the packaging? I am in love with this beautiful sleek black packaging, and what I love about it the most is that it's neither masculine or feminine. It just looks really professional, so would be appealing to both males and females, which I live for. But I know Sebastian actually has Sebastian Man range, which is like hair is hair now. When it comes to packaging, it looks very professional to me. It's something you'd see at a London Fashion Weeks and it just looks really sleek and elegant. So let's talk about the Trilliance Shampoo. Trilliance Shampoo is for shiny and clean hair and it is enriched with rock crystal extracts. This shampoo is going to remove any residue on the hair as well. It's going to smoothen the hair cuticle. Overall, this shampoo seems perfect to me. It's going to really clean my hair. It's going to add shine and as well it's going to add softness. So exactly what I want in shampoo. Because when it comes to my hair, like if we look at my hair, I like a shampoo that will clean my hair really well. I don't want anything too heavy because my hair is in a quite good condition at the moment. Now it is slightly sensitized on the ends due to the blonde highlights, but overall it's in a quite good condition. So let's look at the few ingredients in this shampoo. So like that, we have water and there is sulfates in this shampoo. Glycol is there, so that's a quite no ingredient when it comes to nourishment. And we have silicone and we have salicylic acid, so there's few interesting ingredients. And what I find quite bizarre is a shampoo that is meant to get rid of residue on the hair has silicone in it. But I mean, it is meant to give you shine, so what I presume the silicone is there to smoothen the hair and give a shine, and the actual rock crystals are there to clean the hair really well. So now we're gonna try this shampoo out, so let me smell it. I'm actually gonna open the lid and just give it a nice woof. Okay, so there's a nice smell to it. It doesn't smell too feminine or too masculine. It's quite a neutral smell. So no, I am liking that idea of the product being quite neutral. Like when we look at different brands, they're very much like going towards one gender, if that makes sense. So no, Trilliance Shampoo, I'm dying to try you out. The next product I'm going to be trying out today is Volupt Conditioner by Sebastian Professional. So this is a volumizing conditioner, and let's look at this beautiful white packaging. So from what we can see, the shampoos are black and conditioners are white, so I quite like the black and white team, and like that it is just sleek and elegant looking. So what can I tell you about this conditioner? It is quite light in weight and it's gonna boost the volume of fine hair. It's gonna give you softness as well. It's gonna give you a fuller looking hair, and it is formulated with natural bamboo shoot extract, and as well it is color safe. So for me that's a big hit, and I'm actually not sure if the shampoo is formulated for color saved hair, but the conditioner is anyways. And why did I choose the Volupt conditioner? Because I don't like anything too heavy in my hair at the moment. Like, all I'm looking for is something to give me a good shine, bit of body and nice texture to the hair, because that's how I wear my hair. I wear it quite textured and quite messy, and my hair is not in a bad condition, so I don't need anything moisturizing. But like that, this conditioner is going to provide you softness, so it is going to give you some sort of moisture, but the main thing, it's going to give you the nice volume. So let me smell this and see what the smell is like. Okay, so the smell is rather sweet, but it is on the nice side. And let me just check the texture of the conditioner. Oh yeah, so it is nice, and it's nice and soft. Like, it nearly disappeared in my fingers straight away. It's like one of those moisturizers that you put on your hands and it's gone in seconds. Do you know what I mean? The last and third product I'm going to present you with is Texture Maker by Sebastian Professional. So Texture Maker, when I seen the name, I was like, oh, this is brilliant for me. So it is non-aerosol texturizing hairspray. Sounds very interesting. So it is non-aerosol. The Texture Maker, it's meant to make your hair expand and give that tousled, textured result to the hair. And it is formulated with sea salt crystals, so it is kind of similar to your sea salt spray, which I absolutely live for. It's meant to provide versatility and workable texture to the hair, and it's gonna give you a medium hold with matte finish, which I think that's a plus, because matte finish is really important sometimes. And the brilliant thing about it is you can use it wet and dry. So that's what I'm going to do in my hair. I'm going to use it wet and dry. So when you use it on your wet hair before blow drying, it's going to give you that tousled texture to the hair. And then when you blow dry your hair, you can spray it into the hair on dry hair, obviously, and you can mold the hair more and just give that more of a workable, changeable texture. So this product is quite exciting for me because I do love a texturizing product for my hair. So Sebastian, we're gonna see if you're good or if you're hyper dirt. So you guys, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna shampoo my hair twice with the Trilliance shampoo, and I'm gonna follow up with the conditioner. We're gonna come back, we're gonna hear my thoughts, then I'm gonna use the Texture Maker, I'm gonna blow dry my hair, and I'm gonna use this again, and I'm gonna give you my final opinion. So you guys, see you in few. And we're back, you guys. So what can I tell you about the shampoo and experience? Now, I found the shampoo and experience rather strange because it nearly felt like washing your hair with a conditioner. Just the texture of the actual shampoo is not like a shampoo we know. It is very creamy and it is very soft and it is very light in touch. When I can feel my hair, it does feel really clean. Like, I put it on and I was like, this is just not gonna work. Like, no, this is not gonna clean my hair. But it does feel quite squeaky clean, so I am quite impressed about that. When it comes to the conditioner, now, I mean, it is quite lightweight. Now, when I'm touching and feeling my hair, it does not feel like there's any residue or any silicone buildup on my hair. It just feels like nice, clean, soft hair, which I think is very important because that is usually the issue with some shampoos, is that even after you wash it, it just feels like there's a build-up. Right, you guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the Texture Maker and I'm gonna spray that into my hair. Just gonna work that into my hair. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna blow dry my hair, and we're gonna come back, we're gonna put more of that, and I'm gonna give you my final thoughts. And we're back, you guys. So what can I tell you about my blow drying experience? Well, the Texture Maker definitely made my hair feel tacky. Now, I did struggle to put a brush through it in certain parts and really smooth it out, but it definitely done what it was supposed to do. Give a texture and that moldable move to it. So now I can definitely feel that in my hair. But will I reach out for it again? I am not actually sure because it did make my hair really hard to blow dry, if that makes sense. But it gave me what I wanted, texture. Like, you can see how much texture my hair has. Now, overall, my hair does feel really clean. Now, is it shinier? Just by looking at the hair, I don't think it's that much shinier, but there's definitely a lot more volume to it. So let's take the Texture Maker again and just spray that into my hair and see what that does. Now, it smells really fresh. That's one thing I can tell you. It smells really, really fresh. Oh, that's actually nice. Like, can you see that? Like, I can really maneuver my hair nicely with it. Sorry, I'm just looking at the monitor here just so I can get a better view of it. Oh. Now, that actually isn't too bad. Now, it's actually a really cool... Sorry, I just keep on looking at my hair there. It's actually a really nice product. Like, see the way it's just holding my hair without making it looking sticky or powdery looking? Because I usually use dust in my hair, and I love dust. But this has given me a nice va-va-voom. So, I'm actually liking this as an after product. So, Sebastian, I see you, girl, or I see you, boy, actually. Right, you guys. So, in conclusion, let's get into it. The Trilliance shampoo, I think it's good. Now, it didn't make my hair any shinier. I mean, I don't know what I expected, but overall, the Trilliance shampoo was good. It made my hair really, really clean, and it was an interesting experience when it came to shampooing my hair. So, I'll definitely be reaching out for that again. When it comes to the Volupt conditioner, it is really light in weight, and it's just a nice conditioner if you're looking for a really, really light conditioner that's gonna give you a bit of body. And overall, it's an alright conditioner. Like, it's nothing magical, like it's not gonna make my hair really, really full, but it definitely done what it's supposed to do. Moving on to Texture Maker. Now, when it comes to it as a blow drying product, I am not too sure about it, because my brush was getting stuck in my hair when I tried to blow dry it. I really like that product in my hair at the moment, just to spritzel it and just to give a bit of texture. What I think that could be actually really nice for someone is that has medium texture to it, or even a loose curl, just spray it in and just give that tussled result, sea salt effect like to it. Overall, Sebastian Professional is a good hair care brand, and well, from what I used today, I don't think it's a heap of dirt. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching today's film. I hope you found this film rather interesting, helpful, and useful. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, check out my other social media. And of course, you guys, please take care. Bye.